Question 4b. The events A and B are independent with probability A equal to x, probability of B is equal to x plus 0.3, and probability of A intercept B is equal to 0.04. Determine the value of x. So from the question we can write we know that the probability of A is equal to x and the probability of B is x plus 3, and the probability of A intercept B is equal to 0.04. From this we can build an equation which is P A intercept B is equal to probability of A times with probability of B. So we substitute the value, we will get 0.04 is equal to x times with x plus 0.3. We solve this math equation, we will get x squared plus 0.3x minus 0.04 is equal to 0. So we will get a quadratic formula. So we're using the calculator, and we will get 10x minus 1, 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 over 10, and x is equal to negative 2 over 5. So from here we can reject this answer because we have a negative sign. So x is equal to 0.1. So from the previous question we know that x is equal to 0.1. So for this question we need to find probability of A prime intercept with B. We can write this as probability A prime dot with probability of B. So we using the properties, we get 1 minus P A dot with probability of B. So from the previous question we know that probability of A is 0.1 dot with probability of B, which is 0.1 plus 0.3. So we solve this. If we solve this math, we will get 0.9 times with 0.4, which is we will get 0.36. For the second question, for the second question, we need to find probability of A prime intercept with B prime. We can write this as P A prime times with probability of B prime. So using the properties we will get 1 minus P A times with 1 minus probability of B. Then we substitute the value, we will get 1 minus 0.1 times with 1 minus in bracket 0.1 plus 0.3. Then we solve the equation, we will get 0.9 times with 0.6, which is we will get 0.54, and that is our final answer.
For question 4a second, we want to find PB, so we use the formula P A prime intersection B is equal to PB minus PA intersection B. We change the position, we get PB equal to PA prime intersection B plus PA intersection B. When we PA prime intersection B is equal to 0.47 and PA intersection B is equal to 0.0481. When we plus, we get 0.5181 for PB. So to first calculate PA union B prime is equal to 1 minus PA union B. So 1 minus PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. So we enter the number. PA is equal to 0.37 plus PB is equal to 0.5181 minus PA intersection B is equal to 0.0481. So we get 0.16 for PA union B prime. That's all from me. Thank you.
Question 4A1. Probability B given A equal 0.13. Probability A equal 0.37. Probability B given A equal probability A intersect B over probability A. Probability B given A is 0.13. Probability A intersect B over probability A is 0.37. So probability A intersect B is equal 0.37 times 0.13. So probability A intersect B equal 0.0481.
Number 1, A1. Construct a box and whisker diagram. To construct the whisker diagram, we need to find the quartile first. For the second quartile, we can take it from the median, which is 4.8. For the first quartile, it is equal to 1 over 4 times 10. Then we get 2.5 observation. We rounded it up, then we get the observation. Then we look at the table, then we get the first quartile is 3.5. For the third quartile is 3 over 4 times 10, then we get 7.5. We rounded it up, so it will be 8 observation. So we will get the third quartile is equal to 5.3.
Upper inner fence equal quarter 3 plus 1.5 times quarter 3 minus quarter 1. Quarter 3 we get 5.3 plus 1.5 times quarter 3 5.3 minus quarter 1 3.5. So we get 8. Lower inner fence equal quarter y 1 minus 1.5 times quarter 3 minus quarter 1. Quarter 1 3.5 minus 1.5 times 5.3 minus 3.5. So we get 0.8.
Using the data, we can make a whisker box. The
upper interface is 8 and lower interface is 0.8. So the lowest value is 2.4 and the highest value is 9.4. For question 2, we must find the potential outliner, and then we get is 9.4.
Question B1. Find the mean and median height. Mean is formula sigma fs over f equal 25 times 3 plus 35 plus 5 plus 45 times 8 plus 55 plus 15 plus 65 times 5 plus 75 times 8 over 40. So equal 2130 over 40 equal 53. So median 1 over 2 times 40 equal 20 observation. 50 plus 20 minus 40 over 50 times 10 equal 54.
For standard deviation, using the formula, we get 25 square times 3 plus 35 square times 5 plus 45 square times 6 plus 55 square times 15 plus 65 square times 5 plus 75 square times 6. We get 120,400. Sigma fs equal to 1 and 20. So for standard deviation, we get 14.3881.
Finally, to determine the shape of the distribution of planes I, we can use the formula Sk equal to 3 times with median minus mean over standard deviation. Then we substitute the value, we will get the answer is negative 0.20894. So we can conclude that the shape of the distribution of planes high is negatively skewed since Sk is minus 0. So that is all from us. Thank you.